Hello, juniors, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn homophones. This is sun, S-U-N, sun. This is also sun, but the spelling is S-O-N, sun. Sun, sun. This is flower, flower. This is also flower. But the difference is about meaning, and also the spellings are not same. Aunt, aunt. This is also aunt. Here, 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 here. Eight, and this is also eight. Now you will tell me the correct answer that will be matched with given picture. Now this is a bee. Which bee? This or this? It's your turn. B or B? Which is correct? Very good. This one is. Now, this is a C. Now, this is a C. Tell me the correct spelling which matches the picture. This C or this C? Yes, it's your turn. Very good. This is C. This is a deer. Which deer? This or this? This one. Very good. This is a deer. This is a male or male. What is this? A male or male? Which is correct? You tell me. Very good. The correct answer is this one. 8 and 8. Which match the picture or which suits with picture? This one? No, very good. This one. ATE 8. Which sort of picture is this? Floor? Is this floor or flower? This is flower. This flower or this flower? Which matches with picture? Very good. This one. No, this is not the correct answer. This is flower. Flower.